You really should get a perfect 30 out of 30 on this easy math quiz, or else you might need to go back to primary school. There are no excuses for this one. You have 10 seconds to answer each question. Let's see if you can prove me right.
Question number 1. What's 5 plus 5? The correct answer is option C, 10. Question number 2. How many sides has a square? The correct answer is option A, 4. Question number 3. What is 10 minus 2? The correct answer is option B, 8. Question number 4. What's half of 20? The correct answer is option D, 10. Question number 5. What's 3 times 3? The correct answer is option A, 9. Question number 6. How many minutes in an hour? The correct answer is option C, 60. Question number 7. What's 100 plus 0? The correct answer is option B, 100. Question number 8. Which number is even? The correct answer is option D, 2. Question number 9. What comes next? 2, 4, 6. The correct answer is option A, 8. Question number 10. What's 12 divided by 2? The correct answer is option B, 6. Question number 11. How many cents in a dollar? The correct answer is option C, 100. Question number 12. What's 7 plus 7? The correct answer is option D, 14. Question number 13. Which number is odd? The correct answer is option A, 5. Question number 14. What's 5 times 0? The correct answer is option B, 0. Question number 15. How many days in a week? The correct answer is option C, 7. Question number 16. What's 20 minus 5? The correct answer is option D, 15. Question number 17. What's the shape of a ball? The correct answer is option A, sphere. Question number 18. What's 10 times 10? The correct answer is option B, 100. Question number 19. What's 8 divided by 4? The correct answer is option C, 2. Question number 20. How many sides are on a triangle? The correct answer is option D, 3. Question number 21. What's 15 plus 5? The correct answer is option A, 20. Question number 22. What's the approximate value of pi? The correct answer is option B, 3.14. Question number 23. What's 6 times 2? The correct answer is option C, 12. Question number 24. What's a quarter of 4? The correct answer is option D, 1. Question number 25. What's 50 plus 50? The correct answer is option A, 100. Question number 26. What's 9 minus 9? The correct answer is option B, 0. Question number 27. How many hours in a day? The correct answer is option C, 24. Question number 28. What's 11 plus 2? The correct answer is option D, 13. Question number 29. How many corners are on a cube? The correct answer is option A, 8. Question number 30. How many zeros are in 1,000? The correct answer is option B, 3.
So, be honest, did you get the full 30 out of 30? Share your score in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun quiz challenges. Thank you for playing.